I waited for this for about 3 months, and today it came in. It weighs 42 pounds, and I'll be the first person to open it. The packing memo inside. Thank you for your bullion purchase. Beautiful. We'll read it later. Wow. So this is it. Wow. 2009 silver bullion. United States Mint. Now the box looks great. $20